Okay, so a regular journey for people coming to have implants here in Turkey. So first day when you come, we'll have an X-ray done. We'll have the doctor's consultation, and we will check the teeth, the durability of the teeth. We'll check if there's any issues with X-ray. We'll have a plan, or maybe even a few plans for you to suit, so you can decide with the doctor what's the best outcome for you. And we will decide, and then we can start right away. We have availabilities, so when you book with us, we will have good availability for you throughout the week. So we will start the procedure for right away. For example, let's say you're having implants, so we will do whatever teeth extractions are necessary. We will do the implants, and we will stitch up and close everything. Um, you'll have an X-ray done after the implant procedure as well to make sure everything's done correctly and well. You'll put ice, you'll go back to the hotel and you rest. We'll give you antibiotics and painkillers, mouthwash, and general things to take care of yourself in this time. So the next day or 2 days after, you come back and we'll have another checkup for you to make sure everything's okay. And then after that, you're okay to fly. So the whole process can take about 3 days here in Turkey. Let's say, for example, you're having a sinus lift or a bone graft done as well as the implants. That we recommend having much more time here in Istanbul for you to heal. The minimum would be like 7 to 8 days for you to stay here. The best ideal time is 15 days. I know it's a long time, but it's what's best recommended by our doctors so that when you travel, the high pressure of the altitude doesn't affect the sinus and the bone graft that is done. Lastly, if you're having temporary teeth done, also the more you give time after your rest, the better for you. Because after, let's say, 5 days after your implant, if you want to take an impression of your teeth, it's going to be really, really painful and you're going to be swollen. So the impression will not be as accurate as it should be. So what we recommend is also about 15 days so you can have time to heal, and then we can take the impression, and then we can prepare for you the temporary teeth within 2 days. Everything here in Turkey is done at a faster pace than normally would be because people are staying here and traveling abroad and the hotel stay and you have living arrangements and work and everything. So everything here is done at a much faster pace. So it will not be done exactly as recommended by the international dental communities, but it's done also to accommodate you traveling. So we try to find something in the middle between safe and accommodating to you guys. So if you have time, we can like do the best way possible. If you don't have time, we try to condense it to a more appropriate time for you as well. And of course, a last reminder, temporary teeth, we do not recommend you wear them unless you have a special occasion, because temporary teeth, when you put pressure, a constant tiny pressure on your implants tends to deviate them bit by bit, and which may cause them to fail. So we do not recommend you wear your temporary teeth unless you have a special occasion. Give them 3 to 6 months time to rest and fuse safely and comfortably with your bone, and then you will have a very successful crown procedure. Unless, of course, you have a special occasion or an event, you can wear them, but try not to wear them all the time. Do not eat with them, so the implants are resting safe and sound. Thank you. If you have any questions, please write in the comments. We'll be happy to answer.